Hello, good morning everyone. So today we are again back with another video of Numpy. It's basically a basic Numpy problems that we are going to cover today. In this video, I've taken some examples and we are going to solve them one by one. And I will like to tell you that how these things are going and how these things are happening. I will also be discussing that what's the problem and what's the solution of the problem. Also, one more thing I would like to tell you that this is a separate series for the NumPy. There is another series of my Python is going. So I would recommend you to watch that series also. And because of my personal work and my college work, I was not able to uh, upload the video on time. But in future, from today or from next Monday, we will be getting a back-to-back videos. So without wasting our time, let's get started. That what we are going to have. Uh, and what type of questions we are going to have. So first of all, the question is get the NumPy versions and build information. So it's simple that we need to find out the NumPy version that on which version our NumPy is working. Also, one more thing I would like to remind you that this series is going to be a bilingual series. So the question here is the NumPy version. So first of all, we need to import the NumPy. So we will be using import numpy np, and we have imported numpy np. Yeah. Now in the second line we will be finding out the numpy version. So for finding out the numpy version, we will be tapping print, or we will be taking one thing, numpy version. We will be making a variable here, numpy version, and here will be tag np dot underscore version here, and here we go. Now we will be printing it. You can see the example over here. Okay, wait a minute. Now it's working fine. So you can see that the NumPy version is 1.26.4. So our first question has been completed, and now we will be moving toward the second question, uh, which is that we are finding out the NumPy version. Now we are going to find a NumPy build information. So again we will be taking an variable build information equals to np dot underscore config dot get info. So here now we will be printing, and printing build info here, and we will be saying enter. Okay, we are having some error. No problem, errors. We should know that how to handle the errors. So we can see that the NumPy module over here, module NumPy, and it's basically using the built information. So we can see over here that how this is going. Let me check. Let me check my recording. It's working fine or not. Okay. So actually it was stopped working. So we are back again. So for the build information, we will be using np.show underscore config. In this we can see that build dependencies, we can see class is here, class is here, compilers we can see over here. So we can see different things that are used in this Python library, and also we can see that these libraries are saved in home Abhishek directory, which I have made by my own. Now coming on the second question, which is display the details configuration or information of installed NumPy packages. So it's basically very simple that we can take another uh, variable over here, like configuration info, and like this we can just use and print. So you can see that there is an important information that we have covered. So here unpause the video over here. Now what we can see over here that we have used this detailed display detailed configuration information is for Numpy package. So we have used import Numpy, then we print the np dot show config. In the same way, coming to the next portion, that check if a specific compile time option is enabled in Numpy. Same way, we will be using the same code over here also, that show config, and we will be showing. So it is showing that function show at 0, 0. So it's basically working very nicely. Let me show you one thing more. Yeah. Now we are having another compare the current Numpy version with the target Numpy version. So we will be making an current Numpy version over here is equals to np dot underscore underscore version over here, and now we will be making another version of a target version. So we will be making a target target version like this. Now what we will be doing, we will be using if statement if current version equal target version like this, and else, and now using the print statement. And now, so we can see that the current version which does not match the target version, because the target was 1.23, but the current version is we can see that the current version is 1.26. So that's why it's not working right over here. Now we can see that there is another option for retrieval of print build information for different Numpy modules. So for this there is a simple code over here which we can use, which is np.showConfig. So basically we will be using that only. So similar, in the similar way we will be using that. So I have completed all the things, all the questions that regarding the NumPy versions. In the future classes, we will be covering more questions like this. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Meet you soon in the next upcoming video in the series. Thank you. Bye.